Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what.
Hey y'all. Let's turn her down. Alright, hey y'all. I just got done getting dressed. I got so done to be funny. I just got done getting dressed. And I'm about to go to a car meet. And it's 4:55. And the car meet starts at 5. And it's gonna be there. It's gonna be there. What? Yo, the Texas threw me up. Alright, I'm so confused. Anyway, so you better go to a car meet and I'm a vlog. So yeah. This is the fit. Ooh, don't mind my room. My room is so messy right now. Yeezys, juicy. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna check in back with y'all once I get in the car.
BBA been in front of them roads. 2018 in that Porsche Corolla. Yeah, about quarter ounce. 2 counts. 100 mounts. Yeah. Shop around. New 50 brothers. I feel airplane. Run this shit up, blowing this.
Yeah, y'all can't see
this time we ain't had it. Got 21 bitches. I must be a savage.
Cuzzy. Hi. Oh, the ass is assing. Okay. You love that the ass is assy.
I was about to say, I know you ain't let that go. Thank you.
So,
Put this at 85%. Huh?
The test.
we had to like a stop.
Yeah, 8.5.
Oh.
What's the percent?
14 and 8.
I get 14.
Or that buy 4 and get 1 free.
No, these are all 14.
Halfway.
Brackets in a quarter ounce.
Oh,
hey.
that ain't frozen. It's gonna be juice and
What flavor you getting?
Like I drink it.
I said what flavor?
I don't know.
That's only 8 though. You can close it.
What is, oh, it's 14%.
Yeah, that's what we was looking at, but I don't know which kind I want to get though.
Damn.
Nah, I just about to do that, 'cause that's crazy.
Damn.
I'm getting this one. 14%. This one is Swedish fish and sour apple. What flavor is that?
I don't know, but it look good.
Put on the joint. Where we?
Huh? That should say extreme on there.
Ass is ass. Well, I want to try a beatbox, but I don't know.
Somebody just tried these and they said it was really good. And it had 16% alcohol.
16 in that little ass container. God damn. Y'all love that twisted tea shit.
Little box.
It's only 11.
You want to know something? I still had the twisted teas that he brought to the party.
We don't know. Yeah, about. Hey, hey. Thank you, baby. Thanks, mamas.
Here.
We just let the liquor stop.
Pull your ass, but this is just
Who wants smoke with me? Who wants smoke?
damn. Let me my camera, Rita.
I'm trying to fuck a nigga lungs up. They be like, yeah, put them damn guns up. Fuck that. See the brother beating up guns out.
I'm kill 14 niggas if 13.
You too, girl.
I think my Draco might be gay. Why? You know though, yes, man.
What up?
I don't know niggas. You can see your
Alcoholic. That's definitely alcoholic. Yeah, what's up? What the fuck is that?
You act like this step or put my toe on that boy. You Mickey Mouse, bitch, you went and told on that boy. All my guns come.
Hey,
Taste it.
I'm about to. I'm about to try this drink.
Let me taste it too.
Here.
Are we going to Kenny's shop?
I've never seen this before. I want to try it though.
Window.
And this joint got. That man is lit.
Yo, we going to Kenny's shop right now.
16%.
Alright.
Hey, you want to try it real quick?
Yeah. Your mouth clean?
I didn't put my. First of all, it is clean.
It's clean?
And second of all, I didn't put my mouth on there.
It's good.
For real, let me see.
Taste the alcohol a little bit though.
That's what I don't like. I don't want to taste
this
it.
shot. Look, he said, yeah. I like you today.
Now you're right getting the sweet. It's like, look at him just smiling.
Huh?
Is it good? Okay.
Where's that camera from?
Best Buy.
We both got one.
Yeah.
Just grab one.
I like it.
I'm gonna get your car today, I promise.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it today. Damn.
Yeah, you taste the alcohol. It tastes like one of them margarita joints.
Once again.
Woo. Nah, I'd rather drink the slushy than this. Hey, yo! Alright, y'all. We met up with my friends' car people. What is it called? Car club or car group? Car club, I guess. I don't know what it's called. Okay, but yeah, we met up with them and we just sitting here chilling for a little bit, and then we gonna go somewhere else to go like race and shit.
They don't even know that we in the car.
I'm about to chug this drink for y'all. Okay. I'm scared.
Get my camera.
Do you see like everybody already?
Gracias.
De nada.
Mucho gusto.
De nada. You know what that means?
Fabulosa.
This bitch already drunk. Do you know what that means? No cab. It is 7:27. It is hot in this car though, so. Well,
It is hot.
I'm about to chug this drink and then I'm about to chug this drink and then I don't know if we about to get out or not. I love that we both recorded. Hold on, let me get a picture.
I had to stop myself. Yo, time I was itching to get his ass.
Hey, y'all.
He cute
So,
right there, but
where everybody about to just pull up and
my cousin vlogging too.
Chat, and then we gonna end up going to the race.
This shit is strong as fuck
It's just
though.
like, I'm not gonna say I would never have kids, but I just can't even sit up here and imagine me having a child right now.
Woo!
Like, this is really. Here come Mirror. That's Mirror. A burnt orange Beamer.
I can't see without this tent, babe.
But yeah, we in my. Hellcat
SRTs, nigga, come pull up on me. Run around, do the dash, come on, make my coochie lead.
Damn.
And
yeah.
do.
Okay. But yeah,
Oh my god.
I'm gonna try to eat some food.
These nasty ass buzz balls. If you drink this shit, you're nasty.
He got a buzz, but I never was Su Young.
She got nicknames for fucking everybody.
Yeah, Su Young.
I wanna curve.
I need to put my glasses on because the way I feel, I'm like
No
so
cap.
red.
That's what I told Wendell. He gonna start laughing. I'm dead ass, boy. These eyes is getting low. And my lashes already heavy.
Oh yeah. I'm about to get out because
You taking your camera out there?
I am, because I want to get everybody quiet.
That's why I should go out the window when I'm drunk.
Go even faster on the highway.
I feel like Water as a Chaser is crazy. Hold on, wait for me.
I almost fell out the car.
I'm gonna just bring this out there with me because I can't chug it right now.
I got to in the truck.
Look at that Trackhawk. Trackhawk sexy as fuck. Hellcat. Don't know what the fuck that is. Don't know what the fuck that is. I want this Trackhawk though. This Trackhawk sexy as fuck. Wendell.
What?
Say hi.
Hey, what's up?
Hello, brother.
Damn.
Yeah. I can't even see. Look at her location.
How's he not even in the car?
Kenny dropped it.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fucking, I'm crossing the line today.
Oh!
Looked at my wrist, I got time today.
Yeah, my camera fell. Yeah, I'm
She
drunk.
said to me, is she pregnant? The last nigga we had beef with, we beheaded him. The other side telling them, I'm scared of them. I'm high as hell drinking red letterhead. I got sick of keep telling medicine. Stop talking about what you did before. I got the juice now. It's heavy. Always on T-time, been ready.
Okay, I'm recording. What is this? What is this?
This is 6.2 liter supercharged engine. It's got the Hellcat engine, so if you want to get the like the shit, the logo right there, get the logo right there.
I got you.
SRT Hellcat.
Period.
Supercharged Hemi. You already know.
Period.
You already know the vibes, man.
My friend in a big body.
You already know, man.
Hold on. This my friend in a big body.
Yo, what's up, man? SRT Hez, man. Hellcat Hezzy _ Follow me on Instagram, man.
You heard him.
Or Hezzy Max with 2 X's. Follow me, man. Y'all know the vibe, man.
We out here. This bitch out. Yo, we is outside.
Oh, yes, girl. I got that.
Yo, we is outside.
I probably go to like.
They about to race.
Wait, what about
Hold on, I gotta go to my Instagram.
Nah, yo.
Window, you not gonna get in it? Window! Yo, I'm drunk as hell. He about to get on my nerves. We at the vibration and shit. I'm about to chug this though. Window. They can't.
Yo, we got another Corvette. Run it back, bro. Run it back, bro. Run it back.
Yo, you want your water?
Are you sure?
Yeah, you
I
good.
don't want to like, you know.
good.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm just like
Put your
listening to
seatbelt on.
What is he talking about? That's slow as Hellcat! Me and Window. He drunk, bye. I'm drunk as shit too.
Can you combine those two?
Well, yeah. I'm drunk as shit too, but my camera just died. So this shit over with, but they still about to race. We still out here. We outside, y'all. Look.
I'm done drinking.
He lying. He lying. He an alcoholic. Manu's alcoholic. He's lying. But we outside with the race here. Woo! When I race again, I'm gonna come back to y'all.